You are made of God stuff. You have immense power flowing through you, the source of your being. It's like plugging the vacuum cleaner into the wall. When you plug into your source, you are tuned into that power. Sit up tall. Imagine opening the crown of your head and just breathing that divine essence right into your belly. Exhale and let it go. And then do it again. Another deep, slow breath, like a waterfall of light pouring through you. And exhale, let it go. The more you tune into your divine essence, the more you are connected to the power you have to create anything you want in life. It's an inside job.